Labot na ko. Okay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share you how I'm activating my followers on Facebook because I don't want to see a lot of friend requests. So instead of that, I have to activate my followers. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how kung kinsa pa ang wala kahit follow o kung sa settings. Let's go. Let's have settings on my Facebook. I have to share with you. And stay tuned. If you watch this video first time, just please subscribe and click the notification bell to notify all my videos update and like the video if you like, and if you can share also to your friends. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Here I am. Okay, today I have to share with you guys. That's why I'm here. I'm taking the videos to share something good for you. If you like, I have to share with you my Facebook settings, how I will activate my followers instead to receive a lot of friend requests from anyone or from everyone, which is you cannot able to manage to to accept. Okay, so this is for you only. If you'd like to do the settings, then you can do by my tutorial. And if you like my video, just share it, and it will, if you think that is helpful, you can share it to your friends, and like the videos, subscribe if you are new in my channel, then click the notification bell for future videos which is I'm making. And if you really like me, or if you really love to see my channels, it's okay for me if you don't like also. So let's go now to my screen or mobile. I would like to do the screen recorder so that you can follow my tips or my tutorials on Facebook settings, how I will activate my followers. Now you go to your application of your Facebook, then go to settings and privacy, then settings. Here you can find your privacy settings, who can send you a friend request. You just change it to friend of friends, then go back. You can see there is a public post. Okay, go to public post. In these areas you need to make it public, where you can where your followers can see your public post only. So you go to public, change it to public. Okay, that's it, all are in public. Then go back again. Okay, now you have to get ready to save your profiles again and check if it's working. Then go in the view as. There you can see follow. Okay, and then you have activated already your followers. If you cannot find this follower followed by this much people, you can go in the exit view. You can go and edit profile. Here the details, you can find details, right? And you can see here in the edit details, you see here. Okay, then this area should be checked. Okay, it should be blue color to activate the followers and save. That is simple. So now it's view as. So just this is the one, it's public post, and the people who would like to follow, they can see only this much if you have a lot these settings. And if they will follow some of your public posts and profiles or any pictures which is public, they can see. That's it, guys. So enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for the future videos I have. And if you know me and if you really like me, then be permanent subscriber. Thank you so much and thank you for watching.